This is the motherboard out of my Lenovo X230 tablet, and the fan has gone bye-bye. Okay, because it's shutting down after a while, so the fan is probably not cooling. I don't hear anything. I don't feel any air movement. So I ordered this brand new one off of eBay, and we're going to take a chance of replacing it. I didn't record taking this out because there are very good videos of its removal. I'm just going to replace the fan unit at this time. Okay. Looks like there's one. Hold on, right here. I'm going to take this tape off. Hold this wire. Place. There. I'm going to pop this wire off right there, and then we're going to remove the 4 screws evenly. Oops, anything like screwdrivers come apart. Okay, and there you go. That's the fan. It's just held in by that. We have to clean that, and then I have to transfer this heat tube over. So let me do that. Alright, I got the cleaned off, and I'm going to take this little film off of this. Go, and that should be enough for that. So I'm gonna go right over it like so, just like the other one was. Okay, and we should line that up pretty well, and then get it screwed down with the other one here. Okay. So the idea here is not to go crazy. These things have little springs, but we're going to just take it down as evenly as possible until it seats, and let the spring do the whole job. Like so. Okay. And then we'll put this piece over like that, and then we will plug in the power like so. That all fits, and then we're going to tuck all of this under here the way it was, and then just like that. And then now we got to get this thing all back inside again. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I'm not going to show you that because it's show you when it's all back together. Okay, it populated, it went up, I felt for the fan, I heard it run, but we'll let it run and see if it actually cools and stays running and we don't have the shutdown like we did before. But otherwise, looks like it's okay. Alright, take care. Good luck on your next project. Bye.